Yeah. Gonna get driving up, anything, driving up. What now? Yeah, 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 yeah. This one I do with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did da ba da. Dada cover my face, calling me la ba da. Biggie man.
So welcome to another tutorial. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark the necklines. So I'm gonna mark on the top 3.5 inches, and I'm gonna mark down 4 inches. And I'm gonna join those the 2 points together, and I'm gonna go ahead and mark the shoulder, and I'm gonna make that 9 inches. And I'm gonna come down 1 inch for the shoulder slope. So for the bust measurement, you're going to add 1.5 inches to whatever measurement you're using. So for instance, if your bust measurement is 40 inches, you're going to divide that 40 by 4, which is 10, and add 1.5 inches to that. And you can go ahead and draw a straight line from the top to the bottom. But if you want shape in your dress, you can go ahead and go in and take your waist and your hip measurements, and whatever measurement you have, add 1.5 inch to that, and that is gonna be like a slim fit kind of outfit, which is also nice. So next I'm gonna go ahead and cut the facing for the front and the back. So here I'm gonna go ahead and serge the rough edges to prevent it from fraying. So once that is done, I'm gonna pin the interface into the material. there's a slit opening at the back. So after painting the interface, and I'm gonna go ahead and mark the length of that, and I'm gonna go ahead and sew that. As you can see me do over that. You can make the distance 1 inch or half an inch. It depends on you. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and trim the seam to make it easier to turn around or fold. So I forgot to sew a loop for the button, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna use the safety pin method and flip the fabric inside out. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the slit open. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach the loop to the back of the dress. This is last minute, but at least I was able to do something, so which is good. So now I'm gonna put the front on the back with right sides facing each other and pin it and go ahead and sew it on the machine. So I went ahead and cut a sleeve for the dress. If you want a detailed video on how to cut a sleeve, I have such videos, so you can check it out. Very simple and easy. So here I'm going to attach the little flare thing to the sleeve and sew it.
We know they wear bada. Tell me, my nigga, what's it gon' G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them, ride the boat. I know.